Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage name tags in Albion Online. To do this, first we'll need to click on the settings in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the game settings and inside select interface. Here scroll down to the name tags and there's a few options. You can change the name tags visibility for your character, allied players and all other players, that means enemies as well. And now you can activate or deactivate name, health and guild name for each of those options. Then change the size between big and small. We can also show off-screen name tags and it displays name tags of nearby characters at the edge of the screen. And next is selectable off-screen name tags. Name tags that are at the edge of the screen can be selected, and for example they will appear right here and you'll be able to click on them. Now let's disable the health for basically everyone and leave only name and the guild name. And when we go back, as you can see, there's only name, there's a name, but no health bars underneath and also no guild. Actually, there should be guild, but apparently this guy hasn't joined any guild, and me too. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.